Well, okay. Good evening, everyone. Good afternoon, good night, wherever you are watching us from. Thank you for coming on my live. I am Sharon, the face behind the page. I'm a mom of 4 kids, and I'm a healthcare assistant and now a digital business owner. So this evening, I've got a special guest all the way from America, and it's Mary here. I'll let her introduce herself. Mary, I'll leave you to introduce yourself.
Okay, sis, thank you. First of all, thank you, sis Sharon, for having me here.
Yes,
It's nice to meet you
finally.
virtually for the very first time. So we just met few minutes ago, actually.
That's true.
So yes, so I'm Mary Jean, and I live here in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, for the past 26 years. So
Mm,
yes, and I'm originally from Albay, Philippines. So hello to all
welcome.
my Bicolano, mga Bicolano, kumusta po kamuga boss? So, yes, so I came here in Canada, 26 years ago through the live-in caregiver program. So, yes, that was my port of entry here in Canada. And unfortunately, after 2 years of employment, I had to stop working because my sister-in-law got sick and she has to go major surgery, and I had to take care of her little baby who is then 9 months old.
Oh,
So and I don't have a kid yet during that time because I was here alone with her. And
mm,
then uh, so that thing happened and I have to stay home and take care of my niece. And when she recovered, I have to take care of both of them. And then my husband came and we start building our little family. So I have two kids of my own, and
mm.
I have my niece as like our eldest daughter.
Oh,
So and unfortunately, when she was 5, her mom passed away. So I was left with my 2-year-old daughter. I'm on the way of my second baby and that 5-year-old niece. So I became a stay. Actually, I stayed home since the mom got sick because I stopped
mm,
working, and I've
yeah,
been taking care of my little family. But when the mom passed, it's like three kids with me
yeah.
now. So I really have my husband decided that I should stay home. He works two jobs to provide for the family. So that was my
Mm,
background. And when the kids started school, I I got my licenses in the financial services industry. So I've been doing that for 13 years as part-time, and until I found this business
mm,
almost 5 years ago. So I became a
wow.
digital business owner, and I'm grateful to be in this business. So that's about me.
Oh, wow. That is a story. Oh, I'm so sorry for your niece, but is it
Thank
your
you. Yeah.
passed away?
By the
Yeah.
way, my niece is now 23 years old. My daughter
Oh,
eldest is 19 turning 20, and my youngest is 17 turning 18 soon this
oh,
summer.
they're all grown up now.
Yes.
Oh, well done. You've done a really good job as a
Thank
mum. Well, you are a mum, you don't have a niece, you've got a daughter.
yes.
So you've done really well. So with the business, what really made you want to join the business after all you'd been through? You'd managed to struggle through, manage, the hard times
Yeah.
that you'd gone through as a family to get where you are now.
Yeah.
What really made you want to join the business?
As I said, I'm a stay-at-home mom and only working part-time in the financial services industry. And as you see here in Canada, wherever we are in the world, I guess life is expensive already.
Oh,
And
yeah,
when,
it is.
especially with the growing kids, more expenses, of course, because
Mhm.
they are going to colleges and universities. So having stayed home for yeah, for almost all of my motherhood, uh, financially it was tough for me and my husband.
Mm.
We really have to, uh, there's nothing left all the time
Yeah.
in the paycheck. So it
Yeah.
all
One
went to the
paycheck to the
bills.
other.
Yes, everything goes to the bill. And aside from that, we still have to send help to our family back home.
Mm.
And it was really tough. And as the kids grow, I realized that we don't even have enough savings for our retirement because we weren't able to save, it's depending
Yeah.
only on my husband's, he has the
Salary.
permanent. Yeah. So it stopped, and I was so scared that I couldn't afford to send my kids to colleges and universities. That's why when I saw the business opportunity and I watched the webinar, I was like, oh my God, let me see. Uh, it's too good to be true. But when I joined the community, I saw
Mm.
everyone uh, doing the business, and I was thinking, if they can do it, why not me? So,
True.
and yes, I did it.
Wow.
So,
It, I guess it's a bit challenging when you're outside. You're thinking, how are all these people doing it? Can I really do it? You always got that
mhm,
side of thinking that, can I really do it?
yeah.
So the joining part, what actually drove you to join, take off that spectacle mind, when you think, oh, is it that, is it true? Is it a scam? There's so much going on online that,
Yes.
we've
Yeah,
heard a lot of
actually,
things about
yeah.
online things. So,
So when actually I saw the ad, I didn't seeing an ad about digital business. And
yeah.
prior to that, when I see that ad, not the ad that I signed up with, I was bugging my husband. Can you find an online, because he's always on the computer. After work, he would spend time on the computer, and I
Mm.
told him, maybe you should find something to do online so you can earn extra. And he told me,
Okay.
you should be the one finding it because you are mostly home. And I said, true. So, and finally, I saw an ad from the person whom I know, like 20 years ago more, because she was my classmate in a caregiving course prior to coming to Canada. So I
Oh,
messaged her, what are you doing? And she told me, I'm doing an online business. And I said, my only question was, is that legitimate? And she told me, yes, because I have my licenses in the financial services industry, so I don't
mm,
want to jeopardize that. So that's my
true.
concern. So when she told me yes, I asked her what should I do, and she asked me for my email address so she can send me the information. So I gave right away my information, and she sent me the webinar link. And when I watched the webinar, I actually paid for the, you know, for the joining fee.
For joining. Thing.
And I was blown away when I saw the webinar, you know, when I paid the amount and I saw
Yeah.
the inside. So, but after I paid, look, my mind was so skeptic, and I said, "What did I do? I waste my money?" so
Oh,
that
we all do that, don't we?
that was me. And then but then I realized, oh, they said it's 30 days money back guarantee. So okay, so I can just ask my friend to refund me anyhow if I don't like it. But then,
Mm.
I saw the potential of the business. That's why
Mm.
I went to the next step, and I became a digital business owner in June of 2019. So that was
Well,
it's gonna be 5 years.
congratulations.
Thank
Five
you.
years. Congratulations. We'll be celebrating your 5 years. So how do you manage all, everything that you've got to do at home and then your kids and then your husband and everything that you do? How do you manage it?
the beauty of this business is, you know, the first, when you are just setting up the business, it's kind of, you really have to have time to be able to set the Facebook page and everything, your website. It takes about two 2 to 3 weeks for me to set up everything. But when it's
Mhm.
set up, you go by your face. You still have to spend, you know, when you're starting, you only need 2 to 3 hours to
Mm.
to focus on the business, and then have it set up really well. But other than that, you have to have also the time. But I usually do it when the anyway, when I started the business, the kids are already big, but
Yeah.
usually during the day, I'm busy, you know, carpooling them to their activities, to their school.
Mhm.
So it's always nighttime that I find time to
Mm.
do my business.
Yes.
So if I need to stay late, I stay late. So it's just a matter of time management. A lot of people in this business are working for full time, but they are still
Mhm.
thriving doing the business, part
Yeah.
time. So how much more if you are not working full time? So you have more time actually to do the business. So
It's
yes.
true. It's true. If we put so much work in doing other people's business, we should
Mhm.
put more work in doing your own business.
That's right.
Oh, I'm so happy. So, what would you say to people that want to join and worried that it won't work? There's so much out there. There's so much information that's confusing to people when you talk about a digital business. What should they be looking out for? That's good, and something that's to tell them, oh, this is not something to go into.
Mhm. You know, first of all, this business is legitimate. So you have nothing to worry that this is a scam. So it's legitimate because we here in Canada, every year I receive a tipper slip that I can declare in the government to pay my taxes. So
Yes.
the income is declared. They are, you know, connected with the government, and they send you a tax slip for you to file an income tax. So legitimacy is number one. And in our community, we have a very strong, you know, integrity that we can be proud of running the business. So
Yeah.
we have rules that we follow to show that our business is legitimate, and the integrity is there. And you know, we are connected to you know, a very, how do you call that, our company is turning 50 this June. So
Yes.
is
Um,
speaking of, you know, how strong is the company, we are turning 50 years old, and
it'll
it's
be
really,
amazing.
it's an amazing, and we are number one in the industry. So in this business, we don't actually sell products. We don't have to have inventory because
Yes.
everything is taken care of by the company for us. So all we have a system in place that will market whatever we have, whatever the product is, our system market it for us. And we don't have to have those traditional that we have to have a store, we have to have inventory, we have to ship products. We don't do that. So
Oh
everything
no.
is taken, yes, everything is taken care of. And what else? With our business, we have an amazing community that you can count on. For
Always.
you to know, me
Always.
and Sharon, we don't know each other. We just met today. She messaged me 2 weeks ago if she can have me over in her page, and I just messaged her back, sure, why not? So, and then we just met today. We
It
didn't have
is
chance to, you know, to meet online like this, but
online.
this is
Yeah.
first time. And it's amazing to be having people, being friend from people all across the globe, having relationship, uh, even if we are first time, we are like family, you know.
It is
We it's just, you know, it's just awesome to
amazing. It,
everyone across the globe, you know, supporting each other. So
Yes,
yes.
it is really amazing. You always have somebody there, if you've got a question, there's somebody always at the end of the line thinking, oh, I can help. Oh, I can do this. Oh, you can't do
Mhm.
this. Let me show you. And the training is amazing. The training is a video-based training that's, you know, it goes step by step. When I first
Mhm.
started, you know, it took me a few weeks to go through all my training, but I still go back because our minds, you tend to forget now and again. And it's updated. It updates
Yes.
your skill. You know, it has changed me. I think that's one thing I love about the business. It has totally changed who I am. I always used to shy away from cameras, and I'm always here now every Saturday. It's taking
Speaking of
away
that,
that fear. Yeah, it's taking
yeah,
away the
speaking
fear
of
from
that,
me.
yeah, it's the same thing with me. You wouldn't see me on camera 5 years ago. Uh, Even on small occasion, I see a camera, I would really,
You
no,
run.
no, no. But I still, even if we learn a lot of things in this business, but I treat myself like every day is a learning experience. I'm still a work in
It's true.
progress. I am not perfect, but through
True.
this business, I gain a lot of, self-confidence.
Mm,
Having stayed home for a long time, I have a very low self-confidence, and this business brings it all back to me. you know
it truly does. It truly
yeah.
does. Oh, we say hello to our viewers once we're talking. Thank you guys for coming to watch us. Like and follow us as we go. If you're watching us later, please like and
Mhm.
follow us. And always come on a Saturday, 10 o'clock or 6 o'clock. We're still here on a Saturday. So, Jenny, what would you, Mary? I like to call you Jenny and I like to call you Mary. Both work for me. So,
Either
what
way.
can you say? What can you say to our viewers, that are still out there thinking, should I not? What do you want to say to them?
Okay, I want to say to you that this business, I say it is for everyone, because in our community we have sixth grader, eighth grader who are thriving in the business. So you don't have actually to have good education. Like, you don't have to be professional, but we have professionals, actually all sorts of profession in this business. We have doctors, we have accountants, all, you name it. Why? Because they
True.
want more. They want to have time and financial flexibility, because their 9 to 5 job don't give it to them the time,
Mm,
because they have to be working. But if they build a business like this, they can be their own boss. So that's one thing. Number two, you don't have to have technical skills to join the business. I myself, I'm not a tech savvy. You know, I don't even know before copy and paste. I have to ask my husband how to do it. But with the training in place, it is step by step. You will learn a lot and you will learn everything. So no tech savvy, no computer skills, that's, you don't have to have one, because we have a world class training site for that you can learn at your own pace. So yes.
mm,
And the next thing is, if what how do you say that, if someone tells you about an opportunity and you are not sure how to do it, just say yes and learn how to do it later. So we have an amazing community that will help you do that. You will have your own mentor and your coach that will be with you along the way. So why
mm,
not try and do it for yourself, do it for your family. If you are a person out there who are working 2 to 3 jobs, but still, with the high cost of living, you still find it hard to make ends meet, this opportunity might be right for you. And all you need to do is check it out, register on Sharon's website, ask questions, and invest time for yourself. Invest 90 minutes of your time to watch the free webinar. It is the best investment that you can give to yourself. Learn something new, learn that something out there is available for you to take advantage on and maybe make a change in your life. So that's all I can.
Oh, thank you so much, so much, Coach Mary. Oh, there's one question that has popped up on my messenger here. They want to know, how long did it take you to earn enough money that you think was comfortable for you?
Okay, I could remember. It actually take me over uh 1, 2, 3. After for the first 6 months, I didn't really have, you know, the result because in
Mhm.
this business, not everybody's result is the same. Even in our
Yes. Yeah.
community, you can see some are really soaring high. So, but I don't compare myself to anybody else because this is my journey. So it took
Yes.
me a while to become a coach. I became a coach after a year. So,
Wow.
and the I was so thrilled to have my first highest payday was way how was 3 months salary of my husband. Isn't that
Wow.
amazing?
That's
So
amazing.
I was only hoping when I started a business to have like $500 a month.
Mm,
But this business uh, give me more than that. And,
excellent.
you know, one of the highlights, I was able to take my husband to a luxury cruise vacation on his 50th birthday. So, and
Amazing.
I am proud to say that I am able to pay my daughter's university without her going into a student loan. So, and that is like, I was so worried that I couldn't send them to university. So,
Mm,
and
it's
this
amazing.
business, yeah. So I can talk on and on, but let's limit our
It is
time.
amazing. It is amazing, honestly. It looks like there's so much going on over there. We are
Yeah.
coming to Canada.
Yes.
We'll be coming to Canada one of these. Well, probably not
Yes.
this year, next year. Make it a
Yeah.
destination for me.
Nice. And
Oh, thank you
we can
so much,
come
Coach
over.
Mary.
Yes, we can. We had a convention last year here in Canada. Who knows? It can be in UK next time.
Oh, that's
And
very true.
we will be the one coming over to your
Coming,
country.
yeah. Oh, can't wait for that. Whichever way it goes, we'll meet
Yes.
one another. Thank you so much, Coach Mary, for your
Yes.
advice and coming to my live here, to my followers, to those that are going to watch later. Thank you so much for listening and watching our live today. Hope it gave you some education. You learned one or two things, and you know, you can come and have a look at the business, see if it's for you or not. There's
Yes.
always a chance, it can be for somebody and it cannot be for somebody. So give yourself a chance and have a look into it, see how it goes. And we'll see you next week. We've got another live next week at 10 o'clock. This will be in Shona because I am Shona. So this is going to be in Shona next week. It'll be a big one for all the Zim people. Ekumbusha kwedu kwa Tava. It would good to see people there.
Mm-hmm.
Timbotaura chiruzi chedu tisingawanzi goche vamwe. So I will see you next week, good people. Thank you very much for watching our live. Good night, good afternoon,
Thank you,
and good
everyone.
morning.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
Sharon.
you. God bless. Bye.
Bye.